Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to insert image watermark in MS Word document. So first of all, open MS Word program. After that, click on Design. Now click on Watermark. Now click on Custom Watermark. Now in here select Picture Watermark. Click on Select Picture. Now select picture from Bing Image Search or OneDrive Personal or from your PC. So if you want to add watermark picture from your PC, so select from a file. Now select your image and click on Insert. Now you can change the scale. It's default auto. You can select any one which you want and click on Apply. Close it. So that's it. So it's your picture watermark in MS Word document. So that's it. By this easy method you can insert picture watermark in MS Word document. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for latest update.